Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix USB debugging is blocked by auto blocker in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and your USB debugging is blocked by auto blocker, so let's see how can you fix that issue. You just have to open your settings app and here just go for developer options, and here you can see USB debugging is blocked by auto blocker, and now I'm going to unlock it. Just go back, go for main setting, and here just go for security and privacy, tap on it, then scroll down and you will get auto blocker. You must have to tap on this toggle to turn it off. If you have any password, you must have to enter that here, but I haven't any password. Just tap on turn off, and once the toggle has been turned off, now you can easily use USB debugging and any other option which has been disabled by your auto blocker. So that's how you can easily fix USB debugging has been blocked by the blocker in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.